Public speaking is something many people will need to do at least occasionally in their lives, whether it is a one-sentence comment or a longer speech. Yet for many, there are roadblocks that can make it very difficult, even terrifying, to speak in front of a large audience. This series will present some useful, bite-sized tips that anyone can use to improve your public speaking, wherever that may be. It is hoped that it will help you gain confidence and improve your overall experience. In our previous episode, we looked at a couple of tips involving microphones. If you have a microphone mounted on a stand, that can go a long way toward avoiding one of the other common issues with microphones, handling. Specifically, the noise picked up when you're handling a mic. Some mics have built-in noise dampening, but most do not. So if you touch or hold a microphone, there is a risk of picking up a noise as your fingers manipulate it. If you must hold a microphone in your hand, or if you need to adjust a mic on a stand, there are a few things you can do. First, if you need to adjust the mic stand, look for a switch to turn the mic off. While this may make a bit of noise flicking the switch, your audience will appreciate not hearing the loud rumbling of the stand and mic holder being moved. Turn it back on only when it is in the desired position. If you must hold a mic, again, try to switch it off until you have it in the final position in your hand that you want. Then switch it on. Maintain your grip without moving the fingers or touching the mic to any other part of your body to avoid picking up more noise. Hope you found today's public speaking tip useful and inspiring. The best way to make use of this tip, and to get better at public speaking, of course, is to just do it. Practice, practice, and practice.